Techy Wellington is your one-stop shop for cell phones, laptops, iPads and electronic device repairs and upgrades. Our services: cell phone repair, broken screen, water damage, battery replacement, cameras, and many more. Laptop repair, battery replacement, keyboard replacement, broken screen, hard drive, SSD replacement, RAM replacement, upgrade, webcam replacement, and many more. Tablet repair, broken screen, water damage, battery replacement, hardware repairs, and many more. Computer repair, battery replacement, hardware repairs, broken screen, water damage, software repairs, and many more. Mobile, screen guards and back cover available.